Hey y'all, it's your girl Nita now, and I'm back with another video, and today is going to be a hair tutorial, and we jumping right into it. So I used the Gots to Be Glue spray, and I tied it down with a elastic band. I blow dried it on a cool setting, made sure it was nice and dry and stuck to my skin. Now I'm pulling it back, and I'm not pulling it back too far, making sure it's still on my forehead some so I can protect my edges. Cutting it into a hairline shape, not a round shape. Today's wig was provided by Tinashe Hair. I want to give a big thank you to them. They sent me this 14-inch blonde bob wig, and I dyed it the blue color, and they sent me a whole bunch of goodies. I'm gonna link their store down below. Go make sure you shop with them because they lit, period. Now I'm just sizing the wig up, seeing how far down I'm going to pull it, and then I'm going to cut the extra lace off on each side. I'm going to be using the Gots to Be Glue spray to lay my lace because I took that wig off as soon as I was done recording this video and laid down. So I wasn't gluing it on. It was no point. Now I'm tying my lace down with this little elastic headband that I found around the house. I just cut it and now I just use it for my hair, but I'm going to tie my lace down with that, and then I'm going to use the cool setting on my blow dryer for like 10-15 minutes. You know, you want to make sure the lace really melted. Now we gonna start cutting the lace off, y'all. All that extra lace, we ready to get rid of that. And I didn't really show y'all this part because I had to get real up close and personal in the mirror. And then I tried to use the razor. The razor wasn't really working out for me, so I just stuck to the scissors. But yeah, y'all, sorry for not showing y'all this part. I'm gonna do an updated video on how to install a lace wig, and I'm gonna really get up close and show y'all like every single little step I do. But yeah, y'all gotta forgive me for this one. I didn't even know I was out of frame. And the style I was going for was like just some big curls, but like with like a little blunt look. I don't know what you call it, but I was just cutting layers to get that look. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch this. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with the beat. I went off camera and did my face or whatever. And now I'm using some bio silk, and I'm going to rub it in my hands and put it throughout all my hair. I don't want to make my hair too oily because I still want that bounce, but I had to get rid of them flyaways, so I'm just using a little bit. And also I use this as a heat protector as well because my flat irons get real hot. And I use my flat irons to curl this wig. Now I'm going in with a little bit of my Lotta Body wrapping foam to make sure my part is flat and my wig is laid. Now I'm going in with some of that Got to Be Glued Glam Force hairspray, and I'm getting rid of all the flyaways with that. And then I'm going to use my hot comb. It's by Golden Hot. It's from, actually one of my clients had got it for me, but I'm pretty sure she got it from a beauty supply store, y'all. And yeah, I'm using this hot comb. Like, if you doing wigs in 2020 and you don't use a hot comb on them, what is you doing, sis? Like, hot combs really give you that nice laid flat look. If you ain't got a hot comb, sis, go invest in one, because it's going to be the best investment you invested in. Like, you're going to see your hair game go from, like, whatever it is to, like, 100. Now I'm putting some curls in my hair using my Con F titanium flat on, and I'm making sure I'm curling it away from my face, y'all. And as y'all can see, these flat ones get super duper hot. Like, look at the steam. Y'all go get some of these flat ons. They got them at Walmart. They like $40. But anyway, I didn't show y'all this whole process because this was actually supposed to be an Instagram little mini tutorial, but I decided to edit it and make it a YouTube video for y'all. So if y'all want a curling hair tutorial or how to curl your hair tutorial, comment below and let me know, and I will do it for y'all. But yeah. Sis, them tight grandma curls was a no-no, so I had to comb them out using a rat tail comb, and I'm basically just combing my curls in place to like how I like them. I don't like them tight curls. That's so not cute, sis. Don't do it, please. But this is the finished look, y'all. How y'all like it? I really like this color. I like how I melted the lace. I like the curves. I like my makeup. I like everything. Like, this was a whole look right here, period. You're not going to tell me it wasn't, sis. Like, it was a look. I'm all feeling myself. Look at me. I look exactly like what my shirt say. Adore. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at LaNayLanelle. And I'm going to link my hair review on this wig down below so y'all can go check that out. And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads. And yeah, bye y'all.